Video, I am going to tell you how to install PostgreSQL on the Mac. First of all, we will download PostgreSQL from its official website. PostgreSQL right in the browser. Go to the PostgreSQL. Next, click over the download and search here for the Mac OS. Click over the Mac OS. Then here I will tell you about the postgre.app. Click over the postgre.app, then click over the download. Actually already I have downloaded it, so I will not download again. Click over download and copy and paste into your application folder. So hereafter I am going to application folder directly. See here, already I have postgre dmg file. Double click over the postgre dmg file and drag and drop to the application. Now it is copying to application folder. Meanwhile, see here the already steps are written here. Installing postgre.app, download, move to application folder, then double click. Second step, click initialize to create a new server. Next, configure your path to use the include command line tools. That is optional, but for the beginners it is necessary. These are the host, port, username, database, password, that and all. Now I think that is copied. Yeah, copied. See here, postgre is copied. Now double click over the postgre. You will find postgre. See here. Actually, before that already I had installed PostgreSQL. That's why it is showing like this. But when you will install first time, it will show an initialize button here nearby the stop and start. So you have to click that initialize. After that, this will come. First of all, you will see only three database, 1, 2, and 3 that I have created now. So first of all, you will get three database only. From here itself, if you want to create new database, then double click here and directly go to the terminal. But what you have to do first, you go to the terminal, then from the installation section, copy this command from here to here. Command C, copy and paste to your terminal and click enter. After that, it will ask for your password. Give password, and it is successfully you have set your path in Mac for the PostgreSQL. Now you have done. Now you want to check whether it is installing or not. For that, I will create a new database for the checking. Write PSQL to go to the server. Now it took me to the first database Chandan Kumar, which is here showing Chandan Kumar. Now I want to create a new database, so we will write create database test tb1 and semicolon, that is must. So create database created. I will see whether that is listed or not. Slash list. See here, that is test database 1 is created, means now we have successfully installed PostgreSQL. Thanks for watching my video. Kindly like, comment and share for this. Thank you very much. one more thing, if you want to create a new server, then click over this button and go to plus. After that you give a server name, give directory name, version, port, and create server. That's it. Okay, thank you very much.